Hello, you are welcome to Street Hustle. And in this edition, I want to talk about how you can actually get farmlands to farm in Nasarawa State this period. Now, at the beginning of every year, between January, February, and March, people who know the importance of farming, people who want to go into farming, and farmers look for, um, high yielding areas where they can actually farm. Now, if you are interested in going into farming and you are in Nasarawa State or you are outside of Nasarawa State, even outside Nigeria, and you want to go into farming in a very large scale, Nasarawa State is one of the states where you can do that. Right now, where I am shooting this video now is in Nasarawa State, in my own agro office here in Nasarawa State, and we have about 100 hectares of land that we give out to people to farm, and we don't give out less than 1 hectare. That is about 100 plots. And in this part of the country, a plot is 100 feet by 100 feet, is 100 feet square. You understand? So then if you want to go into the farming, there are some particular commodities that you can farm and you make your money. It's not every commodity that you can farm. Some people run away from farming because certain areas where they are, whether they do the farming or that particular thing that they're farming will not yield in that area, or those areas are prone to attacks or something like that. So when they farm and they get and they make a loss, they will start to complain. It's basically not like that all the time. But if you have the money and you want to go into farming in a very large scale, there are some grains, some commodities that you can farm here in Nasarawa State and you will not regret. One is maize. The yellow one is in fact is one of the hot cakes you have. Then you have beans. You can farm beans, which is the one that we'll do. You can actually farm Benny seed. You can farm Benny corn, and then you can actually farm egusi. These 5 things I mentioned now, if you farm them in Nasarawa State here, you are going to make lots and lots of money. And right now, we have several farmlands that we're giving out. You can actually rent 1 hectare. Between there are places you can rent at the rate of 150,000 naira for a year for one farming season. There are some places you can rent for 300,000 naira. There are some places you can even rent for 500,000 naira, depending on the location anyway. Then if you want to buy, you want to own your own, there are some places you can buy 1 hectare, which is 10 plots. You can buy 1 hectare for 1.5 million. There are some places you can buy for 3 million. Like I said, it depends on the particular location. But so if you have the money, you can even buy 4 hectares, 5 hectares to go into big time farming. And you are going to, just believe me, you are going to make it, because 1 hectare, when you farm corn, maize, for example, 1 hectare, which is 10 plus, can give you between 15 to 20 bags. You understand? And a bag of maize now is close to 150,000 naira. You understand? So you can imagine what you're going to make in a year. And the cost of farming this 1 hectare is not even up to 500,000 naira for farming this 1 hectare. So, and if you're buying the land, it becomes your own forever and ever. So within a year, because you are renting it now, so within a year, you can farm maize. Maize stays 3 months. Once the maize is taken out, you plant egusi, or you plant beginning corn, or you plant beans. You understand? Or you plant beans on the same piece of land. So that is basically how it runs. So within a space of 1 year, you can use that land up to 3 times. You can use that land up to 3 times to farm. So you're going to make your money. There's no way you buy that land or you rent it and you're going to make the money times 3 times 4. So that is the best form of farming method that we do right now that will yield you money. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel and you're interested, I make videos on how to start small, medium, and large scale businesses in Nigeria. But this particular season now, we are talking about farming because of the importance of food in human existence. So we are talking about agro business, which cuts across agro storage, agro wholesales, agro export, farming, and processing of agro products. This is what we discuss on this channel for now. Other businesses will come later, but for now, we are dealing with agro business. And so whichever one you are interested in, export, in this particular edition, I am talking about farming, how you can start your own farming in this state and do well. somebody, I am here to guide you. I'm here to help you. Whatever you need, my number is on the screen. You can call me. You can send me a WhatsApp. Please, the one for WhatsApp is for WhatsApp alone. The one for calling is for calling alone. And so if you call me, I didn't pick, please drop a message on my WhatsApp and tell me specifically what you want. Don't just say, hi, I saw your video on YouTube, and then you stop there. I may not have time to reply that hi. So just tell me exactly what you want. Any of my videos that you watch and you're interested, specify that thing that you are interested in, because I have so many people reaching out to me on a daily basis. So, and once I see the ones that are not worth replying to, I just ignore them and pass. And so, but just tell me specifically what you want so that I will be able to attend to you. That is how, that is what this particular edition is all. That is what this particular edition is all about. So if you want to start farming, now is the best time to buy the land to farm, or to even hire to farm. That is just what this video is all about. So you can reach out to me if you want to farm in Nasarawa State, in this area where I am. I am not talking about the entire north, only in Nasarawa State here. Like I can give you, I can take you to the farmland. You can rent, you can buy, and start your farming. I will guide you. The workers to use, everything is not your headache. We are going to handle all that for you. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Do well to like my videos. You can share my videos with your family and friends, your family and friends who are abroad, who have the money to invest for you. You can tell them, show them this video, tell them all about this business. They might actually sponsor you. They might actually sponsor you into the business so that you can actually get started. So subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. And do well to join my WhatsApp group, my Telegram groups. My Telegram group is for my VIP student and it's a paid group, but you can join the WhatsApp group. I'm going to be leaving the links on the description part of this video, or you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, then I will add you to whichever group that you are interested in. So I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Remember, food is one of the best. Remember, food is one of the basic needs of man. So when you start any business that has to do with food, eating, the rich man eats, the poor man eats, the madman eats, everybody eats. So if you start any business that has to do with food, feeding, their business will do well. So come and partner with us, and I will see you in the next video. God bless you.